All right, everybody, I'm so excited. Okay. I have not bought glass since 2017. That's almost like 4 years because I've been through a lot of whole bunch of crap and I haven't been able to afford it until now. So I'm so excited. I've been working with like a ton of scraps throughout the last couple of years. Let's see what's inside here. I get everything from France Art Glass. They're really awesome and they're super quick. I'm so excited. This is great. So I have my checkoff list of all the colors that I bought. I bought kind of a rainbow palette of colors, not to exceed a certain amount. Because I have to, you got to budget yourself. All right. First, we got to deal with all these peanuts. All right. Let's just take this thing off here. Okay. There we go. I might get them out. That's it. All right, let me get this stuff out of the way, and then we'll look at the color. Shoot. Anyway, okay, so, okay, let's see what we have here. I guess I'll just start unwrapping it all. I just love getting glass in. It's a great feeling. It's like getting any kind of paints or brushes, or it's just art supplies. But it's so pretty when it comes like this. And I do have them cut my glass. They automatically cut my glass down to this size. I'm so impatient. Come on. Get out of there. There is one color that France Art Glass used to have from Effetry, and it was called Raven Sky. If only they had that color again. It was perfect for my ladyhead's hair. I've used it in a few of my earlier videos from my maidenhead hairdos. But this time I always like to try to get something like a little different. Something special every time. Here are the colors that I got. I got my Effetry Black 064. And I like to I got a little bit larger black cane this time. I got a 7mm black cane, between 7 and 8, which is really nice for me because I use a lot of this and I can pull it down into smaller stringers. So there's my black. And of course my white 204, Effetry white 204. It's the only white I ever recommend to anybody ever. Got that. Okay, so I got 3 pounds of the white. I got 3 pounds of the black, 3 pounds of ivory. And I love the ivory. This is ivory 264, and this is like a 5 or 6 millimeter, so you get quite a bit more than you would out of something that's a little thicker glass. You can tell that you get a lot more rods. These are both 3 pounds, so you can see the difference whether you want smaller rods or larger rods. This is 2 pounds of the pea green number 212 effetri. It doesn't come in any rods bigger than this, which kind of bums me out because I do like this color, but this is a really nice rod size. A great pea green. I love this green. It's like the best lime green I've been able to find. All right, here's some pink. Now, I've never tried this color before. It's called Pink Bubblegum. If anybody's tried that, let me know what you think. And it is number 260. I hope it works. Pink is such a hard color. Pinks and ruby reds and really nice purples and violets and fuchsias. Those are expensive colors. Anyway, okay, so the next color we have is my favorite transparent aqua blue. And this is just aqua dark blue. And I just got 1 pound of this because it's really all I need. For my secondary colors, I usually just get a pound's worth. Let's see, this is my light sky blue, number 224. And this is also just a pound. Okay, this is another color that I just got that's new color called Apple Blush. And it looked like, really gives you a kind of a greenish yellowish look to it. I'm really excited to try this color and see how it goes. This is number 411 Apple Blush, and it's one of their special colors. Okay. And this, what is this? Oh yeah, I did get quite a few different new colors, so I'm excited to start working with this stuff. I got a copper green red. I've used copper green before, which is a really bizarre color. It looks green, but then it turns red and kind of, you know, can become, you can reduce it and it looks coppery. And this is number 229, copper green, 229-R to be exact. And I didn't get a whole bunch of this. How much did I get? This is like a half of a pound. And that's 12 rods for a half a pound. Gotta make it last. Okay, so here's my ebony ivory. This is kind of that awesome color. It's like black and ivory mixed together. It's a great color. And this is number 283, ebony ivory. Okay, what's this? Calico. Oh, wow. I had no idea. Okay, so calico, it was a little expensive, but in the picture, it's right here. And you can see that it has different colors in here. It looks like there's a lot of pink in this color. That might be a little out of focus, but this is amazing. I can't wait to try this. This is number 267, Calico. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Okay, I'm going to try this weekend. This is a new red. What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a color that I got, another swirling color. I wanted to get a couple different colors that had the swirling effect for different hairstyles and things. And this color is called American Beauty. And it's effetri 643. This is how it looks in the picture right here. Sorry about my shakiness, but here is what the rod looks like. It just looks like a transparent red, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right. And then I needed to get some brown, so I got this new brown called Brown Rock, and it's number 654, and it's just a really nice brown rock, but it also has some variegation of color in it because I can see that there are different shades within each rod, which is great. So this is going to be like different colors of brown in one rod, I'm assuming, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. All right, almost done. My go-to transparent green is color number 022. I love this green. It's just a gorgeous transparent green, and all I had left was, well, pretty much nothing, so I'm glad I got this. And last but not least, I got a color from a different company. This is called African Violet, and it's a messy color. I only got 1/4 of a pound of this because it was expensive, but I can hold it up to the light here, and it is the most gorgeous violet. This transparent. It's almost like grape. I mean, it's just really nice. So I'm excited to try this, and I use these sparingly, especially when they're like this. But yes, creation is messy. I do really like their colors. They work wonderfully with the effetry, and I mean, they're excellent, excellent to work with. Great quality color. All right. So I'm really excited, you guys. That's all the color I got. France Art Glass, thank you guys so much for sending me my color. I really appreciate you guys being my vendor. And now I am ready to get downstairs, put my color away, and start flame working. It's going to be a great weekend, you guys. Thanks for joining me on this glass color unbox opening. And thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time on Down in the Dungeon. Yay.